For the past 20 years, I've worked as an architect in Edinburgh, Scotland, but I grew up in West Clare, Ireland. Now, West Clare is many good things, but centre of architectural innovation isn't one of them. I never studied or worked in Ireland. All my training and experience happened outside the country, and for a long time I didn't think West Clare played a role in making me an architect, but it turns out I was wrong. This isn't a place for specialists. To make a living in West Clare, people always needed to be generalists. Even today, a teacher might also run a pub, a farmer might work in construction, a fisherman might be a tour guide. There is a long history of people turning their hand to a wide variety of skills in this place. They had to be able to build, to mend, to sow and reap. To make do, people learned to be adaptable, to get the most from limited resources and challenging circumstances. But people in West Clare didn't just survive here. They have a deep culture that values music and song, and they prize the ability to tell a good story. On any given day, they could sail a boat, plough a field, bake bread, sew a dress, thatch a roof, cut turf, deliver a calf, distill poachine, build a wall, or dig a grave, and in the evening sit next to a fire and tell stories. I design renovations and house extensions, usually to older properties, and over the last few years I've built an audience on social media talking about the reality of this kind of work. My practice has been listed among the top 100 architects in Scotland, and my projects have been published and won awards. It might seem a long way from Clare to here, but I'm doing what my people have always done. I am a generalist, not a specialist. On any given day, I could issue a fee quote, research a new building method, survey a house, negotiate construction costs, create a 3D model, edit my website, draw a floor plan, argue with the planning officer, inspect a building site, or discuss a point of contract law, and in the evening, make a video telling the story of redesigning someone's home. I didn't have a favourite subject at school. I didn't have a clear idea of what to do with my life, but I was drawn to architecture because it had a little bit of everything. I didn't make many good decisions at age 17, but this one stood the test of time. I learned how to succeed at being an architect by drawing on the culture I grew up in, and I didn't even realise I was doing it. People from other parts of Ireland used to look down on places like West Clare. Some of them still do. They call us culchies and make fun of our accent, even the way we pronounce the word Wesht. What outsiders don't understand is that west is just a direction on the compass, but Wesht is a state of mind. It turns out I'm still the same culchie I always was. I've just learned a few things over the years. You can take the man out of the West, but you can't take the Wesht out of the man. I have graw for it.